Hi to all from Fabrice, and welcome to this new lesson about a number coprime that it is on my language, that it is Italian, but you can easily translate with Google Translate plugins on the right of my site, that it is nullsolution.net. This is the title that you can see on this URL, on the address of the browser, and here there is an error that is not a whole number cover. You must translate with Coprime. Coprimi is error of translate of Google Translate. The exactly translate is Coprime or Coprime. So two integers are defined as coprime of each other when given a pair of integers a and b. Their greatest common divisor is equal to 1. For this reason, it is also said that the two coprime numbers are also prime among themselves. Translated into formulas given, a and b are coprime if and only if CCD indicate oh my god, mass common divisor, that in English is CCD, and maximum common divisor. And two prime numbers are obviously coprime to each other. Two non-prime numbers can still be coprime. Let's see some example. We take numbers 11 prime and 27 not prime. So we have that the maximum common divisor from 11 and 27 is equal to 1. So they are coprime. And this is, you can try with 11 and 22. MCD is 2, so it's not coprime, etc., etc. As you can see with your eyes, the calculation does not present particular difficulties, especially when it comes to small numbers. If, on the other hand, the numbers are large, the problem becomes more complicated, because you will have to do the factoring, and obviously the error, as much as you can careful, is always around the corner. For this reason, there are some complications. In other words, algorithms are used that simplify the task. One of these is called Euclid's algorithm, which you can see on the figure. You declare the result. The remainder is resto, interior is integer. So if number b is different to 0, you go on the true, and your remainder is a divide b, and the value of b, a take the value of b take the remainder, and you go to the cycle. For false, you obtain the result. It is very easy. This algorithm is inspired by Euclid's lemma and proposition 30, and a possible implementation of it can be found of Euclid's algorithm. It is in English, and we have part a number of theory, and I click to show. So you can see this is the algorithm. Oh my god, only a moment. Okay. You can find to this address, nullsolution.net/example/php/euclid index.php. Compute with a little of theory, and after you can insert the value. For example, okay, I am a mistake. 72 and 61. 61. Compute, and we have that 72 is not a prime number, because the divisor of 72 are this, while 61 is a prime number. So we can search if these two numbers are coprime or not. First iteration, A 72, B 71, 61. We have the quotient is 1 and remainder division is 11. So the next check is from A, that it is the value of B, and B, that it is the remainder. You go on while you found that the remainder is from the division is 0, and you take the before the previous value. So you take the value of 1. So the result MCD 72 and 61 is equal to 1, so the two numbers are coprime. This is an easy plugins for compute coprime that I have created.